7 months ago, she fell down in the school. After that, day by day, she complained her legs. We just think that maybe this a simple problem. Day by day, she can walk. After that, we take her to another doctor. They said this is a cancer.
She was diagnosed as a case of bone cancer in her lower thigh bone. And there she saw many doctors who told her that at this age there were not many chances of survival, and she had to undergo amputation, that is removing the limb completely, take it out of the body.
All the time we are very sad. All the time when we see her, this is a child. How to grow without a leg? All the time she make a problem for her life.
I think in a young kid it is very important to save the leg rather than going amputation. Amputation in such cases is an easy option, one-time surgery, but for whole life it gives a handicapped feeling for the patients. So we planned for a limb salvage surgery. Initially when she came, the tumor was very big and it was a very challenging case. So we decided to start chemotherapy for her, and our pediatric oncologist started chemotherapy, which she took, completed 3 cycles, and then she came to us for surgery.
During the surgery, it's really a strong man he is in this surgery.
So here what we did was we resected the part of the tumor below, and the upper part of the bone which had some disease, we dipped it in liquid nitrogen, which is a very special chemical and which kills the tumor cells inside the body. And this technique is called cryotherapy, which is one of its kind, and we are one of the first centers which has done this procedure here. To counteract the challenge of limb length discrepancy, we have used a special implant, which is the customized expandable megaprosthesis. So when the child will grow old, the affected limb will be short. So in this implant, the implant can also grow with the age, so up to 6 to 7 centimeters, so that by the time she is of her growth age around 16, both the legs can be adjusted at the same level.
My family and my wife, my child is all appreciate from the Dr. Vivek Verma. He is the best one in orthopedic doctor in India.